friends, it's Tuesday, ready for journals. So find this page in your journal. You should see a blender with a mixed up word and a boy and a park scene and the number 23. You'll need your pencil, crayons, and your journal. That's it. Okay, stop the video if you need to. Okay, today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2 and an 8. Our year is 2020. So if we were writing the date with just numbers, we would write 4/28/20. Today is Tuesday, uppercase Tuesday. Okay, there are some letters in the blender, and we need to unscramble the word. So it's a sight word. It has the letter L, Y, A, and P. 4 letters. I'm going to write the word down, and I want you to see if you can think of what word that might be. If you want to, you can stop the video. See if you can think of what that would be. Has the letter A, L, Y, and P. Mrs. Hoffman's going to give you a clue. It starts with the letter P. Okay. Are you ready? The word is play. Play. If you wrote a different word, that's okay. You can erase it if you have a pencil. If not, you can just cross that word out and put the other word, play, next to it. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to circle the box to show if these things are a person, a place, or a thing. When you get in first grade and second grade and third grade, you're going to start talking about parts of a sentence. And so one of the things that are named in a sentence, when you write a sentence, you're talking about something. And one of those things that you might be talking about is a person, a place, or a thing that is in your sentence. So we want to know, is a boy a person, a place, or a thing? It's not a place. It's not a thing. It's a person. So we're going to circle the word person at the top. When you get bigger and need to know about nouns, this will be important to you. So a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. The next is a picture of a park. Is a park a person, a place, or a thing? Now, a park, it's not a person. It could be a thing, but it's really a place. It's some place that you go. So you're going to circle the word place. Then we're going to use any of these words, play or boy or park, in a sentence. I have an idea. So you can do my sentence if you would like, or you can do your own. I'm going to say, the boy went to play, mine's going to be long, at the park. 8 words in my sentence. I'll say it again. The boy went to play at the park. 8 words. My first word is the. If you're writing my sentence, make sure you have an uppercase T, lowercase letters for the rest. The, finger space, boy. We see the word boy above the picture of the boy. The boy went. The boy went. Did I say went to play at the park? Went to is my next word. The boy went to play. There's our other word. P-L-A-Y. That's one of our sight words. The boy went to play. Now I ran out of room, so I'm going to need to go to the next line. At the park. I have a finger space in between each of those words and a period at the end. The boy went to play at the park. If you need to, stop the video so you can write my sentence, or you can finish the sentence that you chose to write. Next, we're going to write the number 23. We write it with a 2 and a 3. Make a finger space in between each time you write the number 23. Make sure when you're practicing you start on the top line and you go all the way down to the bottom line. We're not going to do the mystery number, so if you want to have someone in your family do a mystery number with you, you can. Solve these equations. 3 plus 1. So when we're thinking of an equation, we can use our fingers, we can use our brain, we can draw a picture. If I use my fingers for 3 plus 1, I have 3 fingers on one hand and 1 on the other, and I put them together. How many do I have? 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. The next equation says 2 plus 4. So this time I'm going to do a picture. I'm going to draw 2 circles above the number 2. And I'm going to draw 4 circles above the number 4. Then I'm going to count up all those circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now here you're going to write the numbers that come before and after. So think if we're counting, before I say the number 29, what's the number that I say right before when I'm counting? If I start with 26, I could say 26, 27, 28 is what I say before. What do I say after I say number 29? 28, 29, 30. 3 and 0. This is a bigger number. When I'm counting and I have the number 97, what's the number that comes right before I say 97? I'm going to write it. See if you write the same number I do. And then go ahead and write the number that comes after 97. 95, 96, 97, 98. So 96 comes before 97 and 98. Think of when you say those words and you know what number you're going to write. 90 is a 9 and 8. You're going to have some good words for your sentence today. So this word says nest. Here is a nest. This word says worms. Here are some worms. This says babies, birdhouse, and sings. So every day when we do journals, you can write the sentence that you would like using these words, or if you don't want to use those words, you can write a sentence using your own words. But remember, I want you to write 2 sentences. So using these words or using your own words, I want you to write 2 sentences. Remember, you're going to use a capital letter at the beginning, finger spaces. You're going to sound out the words. If you don't know how to spell a word, you just write down the sounds that you hear. You're going to use a period at the end, and then you're going to draw a picture. Okay, work hard on your sentences. I want 2 sentences today, boys and girls. Good job.